Hello students, Saira. Welcome to our online session. I hope you all are ready. Yes, so today I am going to teach you active English. Active English subject. Okay? So first I am going to explain what is an adverb. I hope you already done this in your grammar. Yes? So a brief explanation. Okay? An adverb is a word that modifies, means describes a verb, adjective or another verb. Okay, so adverbs are describing words. Here let's see. Here I mention few examples to explain you. Okay, so first one, we will eat there. Here there is an adverb describing the verb. I hope all of you know the verb. Yes, action words. Yes. Here action word is will eat. This is verb. So this adverb is describing the verb will eat. Okay. Now next question. Your face is extremely red. Extremely is an adverb describing the adjective. Adjective word. Here which one is adjective word? Red. Okay. So adjective is red. Extremely is an adverb describing the adjective red. Okay. Now next one. The baby crawled very slowly. The baby crawled very slowly. Very. Very is an adverb describing the adverb, that is slowly. Okay students, I hope all of you understood. The baby crawled very slowly. Very. Very is an adverb describing the adverb slowly. Okay students, remember this. This you have already done in your grammar. Okay. Now here there are some types of adverb. Adverbs of time. Here time, it explains, you are raising the question when in your mind. Okay, in your mind you are raising the question as when. Here there are some words. For example, every day, always, never, rarely, frequently, usually, etc. So here one of the word I am choosing, that is every day. Okay. For example, Tom reads Bible every day. So it explains about the time. Yes. Next, I am always busy. I am always busy. It explains about particular time. Yes. So these are the adverbs of time. Now adverbs of place. If this type of words comes, like for example, I have given here some words, that is everywhere, here, there, upstairs, inside, outside, etc. So if these words comes, the small question arises in your mind. What is that? Where? Okay. For example, I look everywhere. I see you everywhere. So here this everywhere explains where. Where you are seeing. Yes. I kept my book here. Here. It explains the place. Okay. Somebody gives you a form to fill and you have to put a signature. Somebody says sign here. That means it's showing you the place where to sign. Okay students. So here is the adverbs of place. When adverbs of place, this particular words comes in that sentence. So in your mind that question arises. That question is where. Okay. Now adverb of manner. Let's see. Manner means how. That question arises how. For example, there are some words. Slowly, quietly, happily, sadly, terribly, excitedly, badly, etc. For example, like softly. I took one word as softly. I spoke softly with my grandparents. So it comes under manner. It's a way of manner. You are talking softly with your grandparents. Okay. Tortoise moves slowly. It's a manner. Yes, tortoise moves slowly. So here it comes adverb of manner. It explains you adverb of manner. Okay, students. Now today we are going to do, that is Active English, chapter number 29. Chapter number 29. Here, where do you see here end position adverbials? That is end position adverbials. Let's see in every sentence where to put that adverbials. Okay. Here, open page number 56 of your book, Active English book. I hope you all are ready with your Active English book. Active English book, one pencil and eraser. Okay. So, open page number 56. Okay, students. Now here, question, write answer to the questions. Okay, there are two. Here's one question and answer is given, but the answer is incomplete. You have to complete it. Okay. So first question, when do you wake up every morning? So how you are going to say the answer? I wake up at 8 o'clock every morning. Okay. Again I am repeating this question. When do you wake up every morning? I wake up at 8 o'clock every morning. Okay, students. Now next question. When do you have your breakfast every morning? When do you have your breakfast every morning? I have my breakfast at 9 o'clock every morning. Here it shows the end position of adverbials. That is, here you are putting the time. Okay. It explains about the adverb of time. When. See, the question arises in your mind when, and you are giving the answer particular like 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Yes. That you are saying at the end of the position, at the end of the sentence. Third one, when do you go to school every morning? I go to school at 11:30 every morning. When do you go to school every morning? I go to school at 11:30 every morning. Okay, students. If I am going fast, you can pause your video and then you can write. Okay? Do it properly, neatly. Don't be in a hurry. Okay? Now next, I hope all of you completed, or you have not completed, you have to pause the video and complete it. Okay, students? Now next, question 4. What time do you have your first lesson every day? What time do you have your first lesson every day? Answer, I have my first lesson at 12 noon every day. Okay, I have my first lesson at 12 noon every day. Okay, students, I hope you are understanding how to do. Yes. Now fifth one. What time do you go home every day? What time do you go home every day? I go home at 6 o'clock every day. I go home at 6 o'clock every day. Okay? Write spellings properly. Do not make any mistake. Now question number 6. What time do you have a meal every day? What time do you have a meal every day? So your answer is, I have a meal at 11 o'clock every day. I have a meal at 11 o'clock every day. Okay? Now, question number 7. Question number 7. What time do you do your homework every day? What time do you do your homework every day? I do my homework at 8 o'clock every day. See how to write 8 o'clock. 8 little space O apostrophe clock. You call it an apostrophe. Okay students, single apostrophe. Apostrophe clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. I do my homework at 8 o'clock every day. You have to write this way. Okay. When you're writing, you have to write this way. But when you're saying to someone, you have to say 8 o'clock every day. Okay, students, remember. I do my homework at 8 o'clock every day. Now, next one. 8th one. What time do you have a meal every night? Students, in your book, it's written as, what time do you have a meal every day? Instead of day, you will put a line, cut that day. Instead of day, you will write night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Okay students, remember, there's a small error in your book. Just clear it, do correction. What time do you have a meal every day is there in your book. Day you will cut and you will write there night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Okay, so your answer is, I have a meal at 9 o'clock every night. I have a meal at 9 o'clock every night. Okay students, remember, do correction in your book. Slight changes is there. Instead of day, in your question you will write night. N-I-G-H-T. Okay, and your answer is, I have a meal at 9 o'clock every night. The 9th one. What time do you play with your friends every day? What time do you play with your friends every day? So here is your answer. I play with my friends at 7 o'clock every day. I play with my friends at 7 o'clock every day. Okay. Now, question number 10. What time do you go to bed every night? What time do you go to bed every night? Answer is, I go to bed at 9 o'clock every night. I go to bed at 9 o'clock every night. Students, this way you have to write the answer. Okay, do well, write properly, neatly, with your nice handwriting, good handwriting. Okay, nicely you do. Okay students, if I'm going fast, you can pause the video and you can copy the answer. Okay, okay then, thank you.